What's up, traders? Going 2 for 3 today. Nothing special. Two Vons were actually what I made my money on, which happened later in the afternoon. Just going to start here with NEX, which was our one trade that was on stream. See previous resistance here from yesterday's highs, and then we'll scroll in. Kind of a slower move. Nice little pop right at the bell. Kind of grinded against us a little bit. Got to add, and then started to cover into the wash. Kind of missed the bottom of this wick. It was kind of spready at the time as well. And we literally ended up break even on this trade. Wasn't the best of trades. I think we took some off for a small loss here, small win here, and then literally took this off at break even. So all evened itself out after commission's obviously going to be red on it. Second trade was CNSP. Second and third trade, actually. So I guess technically we were 4 for 4. It was just 3 tickers. This one, volume out of nowhere. Pretty much just was playing the retest of 1, and as you can see, that worked. Got 109. We actually top ticked this thing. As you can see, was this one? No, this wasn't the one that we top ticked. It was the other one. Sorry. We almost top ticked it. 108. The high was 109, and we took this one off at 102. So 400 shares, decent little amount there. Then we played it again. Was really, really hoping to get this to come all the way back down to this 117, 118 area. As you can see, I was trying to scale out. We took, let's see, high was 134, took 300 at 133, basically topped it again. Not too bad, but it really struggled to come back down, which is usually a sign it still wants to go higher. And after it already tried once down here and made its way higher, I thought maybe this could actually turn into a runner. And so I didn't want to be any part of that. So I wasn't allowing this to go back to high of day, figuring we might get some kind of pop and some slippage. So I was taking this at break even once it got there, which was 133. And as you can see, the high of that candle was 133. And then sure enough, we got that drop down to 121. But it did end up going back to high of day. So not sure I would have got filled. I probably would have taken it off here, just knowing me. But I really was looking for this 117, 118 area. And then I was hoping to keep some shares, seeing if it would get back under 1. But that didn't happen. So faked us out a little bit on the remainder, but ultimately did end up going back to high day anyway. And then our last trade was on Age. This one, as you can see, complete volume out of nowhere. Went through 1, really wanted a little bit higher. Kind of saw, I think it was, the spread was really bad on this one. It was like 105 by 109. And we just hit the ask for 500 shares, got filled, and it started to drop. It stalled here for a long time. So we ended up taking off half when the ask came down a little bit, put the other half out at 101. And it was like 101 by 103, I think it was. Yeah. And we just went ahead and took it there. I think our order was at 102. But we didn't get any fill because I remember it saying 101 on the bid, but I saw 103 was on the ask and I figured that was close enough. So I just took it. So pretty decent trade there. Made 53 bucks in, I guess, technically 4 trades, but it was, the bulk of it was 2 of them. That second one on CNSP really wasn't a lot. It was mainly from that first one. So the SPY is actually kind of taking a crap at the moment. So we'll see where that kind of puts us tomorrow as far as the overall movement of the market. So a lot of times when the SPY is going down, it's a little bit harder to find those plays that I like, but we'll see. That's all I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Find me in Discord, find me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.